Namaskar. Welcome to your own channel Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. This video is the first episode of the 18-stage series of civil cases in India. In this, we will discuss the process which forms the foundation of any civil suit, that is, filing of a plaint. A plaint is not just a simple document, it is a strategic legal expression that influences both the direction and the success of the case. In this video, we will understand in detail what is a plaint, how to draft it properly, what important legal aspects should be taken care of at the time of filing, such as jurisdiction, court fees, and limitation. We will also understand what mandatory rules and evidentiary requirements have been introduced at the stage of filing plaint under the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. This video is extremely useful not only for lawyers and law students but also for common people who want to understand the correct way of initiating a civil case. What is a plaint? A plaint is the initial pleading filed by the plaintiff to commence a civil suit before the court. It contains facts of the case, cause of action, reliefs sought, and full details of the defendant. It is not merely a formal document, but the foundation of the entire civil proceedings. The drafting and filing of plaint is governed by Section 26 and Order 7 Rules 1 to 11 of the Civil Procedure Code, 1908, CPC. Additionally, the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023 has made the submission of evidence along with plaint more strict and mandatory. Essential requirements for drafting a plaint. According to Order 7 Rule 1 CPC, certain essential elements must be included in a plaint to be legally acceptable. The name of the court, full details of the plaintiff and defendant, facts constituting cause of action, and basis of court's jurisdiction must be clearly mentioned. Further, the reliefs sought, both main and alternative, limitation and explanation if any delay is caused, proper court fee details, verification and signatures of the plaintiff are necessary. To make the plaint more effective, chronological list of events, list of documents relied upon, and request for interim relief, if necessary, must be included. All these components ensure that the plaint is properly drafted and acceptable before the court. Jurisdiction. Before filing any civil suit, it is very important to determine which court is competent to try the matter. Jurisdiction is determined on three grounds. 1. Territorial jurisdiction depends on where the cause of action arose or where the defendant resides. 2. Pecuniary jurisdiction, based on the monetary value of the claim or relief, such as civil judge junior division, senior division, or district judge. 3. Subject matter jurisdiction depends upon the nature of the dispute, property dispute, breach of contract, claim for damages, etc. Property-related suits must be filed where the property is located. Breach of contract or tort cases must be filed where cause of action arose or where defendant resides. Thus, determination of proper jurisdiction is an essential legal process to ensure validity of the suit. Limitation. A critical aspect affecting admissibility of civil suits is the time limit for filing. The Limitation Act, 1963 applies. Most civil suits need to be filed within 3 years from the date of cause of action, such as breach of contract, recovery of money, or property-related claims. If filed beyond limitation, plaintiff must file an application for condonation of delay under Section 5, giving proper justification. Ignoring limitation may lead to dismissal of the suit even if the case is strong. Court fees and suit valuation. Payment of appropriate court fees is mandatory for valid presentation of plaint. This is governed by Court Fees Act, 1870. Suits Valuation Act, 1887. Court fees are determined based on the nature of relief and value of the claim. If insufficient or incorrect court fees are paid, the plaint may be rejected under Order 7 Rule 11 CPC. Hence, correct valuation and proper payment of court fees is essential. Evidence documents under Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023. Under Sections 22 and 127, it is mandatory to file all documentary and electronic evidence at the initial stage itself. Under Section 63(4), any digital evidence such as WhatsApp chats, emails, CCTV footage, screenshots, etc., must be accompanied with certificate of authenticity. Without this certificate, the court may reject such evidence. Example of documents that may accompany the plaint: sale deed agreement copy, WhatsApp chats with certificate, email communications, photographs and other visual evidence. Thus, documentary proof is now compulsory at the filing stage. Wakalatnama and affidavit. Certain mandatory documents must accompany the plaint. Wakalatnama authorizing the lawyer to act on behalf of plaintiff. Affidavit of truth under Order 6 Rule 15A CPC affirming that facts stated are true. Absence of these documents makes the suit technically incomplete. Presentation and scrutiny by court registry. After completing all requirements, plaint is presented before the court registry. Registry verifies. Formatting. Jurisdiction. Sufficiency of court fees. Documents completeness. If everything is correct, case number is allotted and matter is listed for hearing. Otherwise, objections are raised or plaint may be rejected. Thus, legal and technical accuracy is essential at the filing stage. Common grounds for rejection of plaint. Under Order 7 Rule 11 CPC. No cause of action, barred by law, time-barred suit, insufficient court fee, improper verification or missing signatures. Careful drafting prevents initial stage rejection. Example case: suit for recovery of possession of property. If a person is wrongfully dispossessed from his property, he may file a suit for possession. He must provide proof of ownership and explain when and how illegal possession occurred. Relief sought including possession and damages. Suit must be filed where the property is located, with all relevant documents and proper court fees. Pro tips for drafting a strong plaint. Use clear, neutral, fact-based language. Avoid emotional or defamatory allegations. Attach list of all relied documents. Provide certificate for digital evidence. Mention laws and provisions clearly. Justify interim relief properly. This improves both legal strength and credibility of the plaint. Conclusion. A plaint is the foundation upon which the entire civil suit is built. It must be properly drafted with complete documents. After BSA 2023, scrutiny at initial stage has become stricter. Therefore, a plaint is not just a form, it is your first strong step towards justice. If you found this information useful, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you can receive more such important legal videos in time. I assure you that I will continue to provide accurate, lawful, and research-based legal information on various topics through this channel. Your support means a lot to me, so I humbly request you to stay connected with this channel. By joining this channel, you can also receive special legal information and membership benefits. Thank you very much for watching the video. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.